Introducing the on-site solution for hazardous medical waste disposal with the integrated sterilizer and shredder. The infectious waste, medical sharps, laboratory dishes, and other types of medical waste have to be treated properly with professional certified medical waste solution. The integrated sterilizer and shredder complies with the recommendations by the EU and the World Health Organization. The average processable waste can be between 45 and 70 kilograms an hour. The ISS processes liquids, plastic, sharps, papers, cloth, pathological waste, or glass products. The ISS Premium can also process textiles and dialyzers, hard plastic tools, or frozen blood. The operator inspects the unit with a biological indicator. Digital full-color touchscreen LCD display, and the software is offered in a variety of languages. The loading starts. The unit operates as closed system with acoustic and other insulation. The cycle begins with the vacuum stage. Air is removed from the chamber till -90 kilopascal. Next is the heating stage. Steam is blown in and water injected to the chamber. Slow shredding begins in two directions. During the sterilization stage, the waste is sterilized and shredded within a single vessel. The powerful crushing blades reduce the volume of the waste down to 20%. In the exhaust stage, the valve is opening and the steam is flowing out through the biofilter. Water is injected to cool down the unit. During the drying stage, compressed air is blown in, then drained in alternate cycles without clogging. The average cycle time is 25 to 30 minutes. Then the unloading starts. It is easy to unload. The waste is rendered to non-infectious, non-hazardous, and non-reusable. It is now safe to be disposed as regular municipal waste. Perfect shredding results from normal medical waste, glassware, textiles, and hard plastic tools. The unit is capable of continuous operation. 560 kilograms of waste can be disposed in 8 hours. The cycle is documented throughout the entire process. More than 350 units have been sold worldwide to over 40 countries.